Reporting on duty. Bongret is here. Hi everyone, welcome to Trade with Bongret. My name is Bongret Solomon. Yeah, it's another beautiful Friday. Yes, we are here once again. Yesterday we are on a buy scalp on a BTC and we saw a 1:1.5 risk to reward before market reversal. As it stands so, on a general note, there's nothing to buy on Bitcoin as of today. So we are going to be looking at the chart. Let's see what happened on Bitcoin yesterday and the possible outcome of what you should look out for today. So let's dive into it. Before we go on, don't forget to use the link below this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on notifications so that you will always stay updated every morning when we post our daily chart analysis on Bitcoin, right? And don't forget to be part of our community, join our Telegram channel, join our WhatsApp community, and follow us on X so that you will always be updated anytime we drop our free signals. And don't forget to always join us 11 a.m. West Africa time every day on our Telegram community where we do live analysis, give you live signal, and take live trade, make money together, and then we win together, right? So let's dive into it and see what we have on Bitcoin this morning, right? So initially from the beginning of this week, I told you that when market was around this zone, I told you that market is definitely coming here to complete this pattern here, this daily pattern of a double bottom. This is the fair bottom, right? It's coming and it's possibly taking this low for us to have a relative double bottom before we can anticipate the push to the upside. This retracement will also complete the weekly pattern as well and into the monthly pattern, right? So don't be carried away by everything you are seeing, right? So let's see what you need to look at for today. So yesterday Bitcoin gave us a high of 64k and then a low of 62,800, right? And this morning you can see how the market is behaving. This is a very green dodgy candle on the daily time frame. So if there is nothing you need to know, just be rest assured that Bitcoin must take this rejection block today, right? If possibly might give a new low, right? So there's every possibility we'll see a new low on Bitcoin yesterday, meaning that Bitcoin might likely take the low of 62,800 today and come into this zone, right? So what should you be looking at for today? If I must trade Bitcoin today, I will be so patient, right? I'll be so patient to see what today's candle will do. Don't forget, today's Friday. We are entering into the weekend already. I don't know, is there any economic data coming up today? I will check later and update the community, right? So let's see. If you go to the first 4 hours of the Asian market, which will be closing in the next 1 minute, you will see that this candle is definitely closing bearish, right? The highest, the next 4 hours, which will lead to London Open, will do is to retrace back here, and then by New York session we will sell down to the zone. That is definitely for sure. If at all we will see this retracement, right? But if not, this dump will continue, and then we are likely to come into this zone of 62,400 today, right? So make no mistake, if you see Bitcoin around 62,400, 62,500 zone, you can take a buy from there. But the best thing for you is to stay updated. Make sure you are in our community so that anytime the confirmation is done, I will always update the community. So to stop missing out, make sure you are part of our growth, make sure you are learning, make sure you are developing your trading skills, right? So I believe I have been able to simplify this. If you go to 1 hour, you might still see something to show you that there is nothing to buy as of now, right? You have seen it even on the lower time frame. Market structure is bearish, right? So as I told you, the highest you can see is for Bitcoin to pull back to 64k and then start selling again. It's just as simple as that. But be rest assured, if not today, market is coming back to this 62,400, 62,300 zone. That one is sure. Then by the time market gets to there, then we can now look for a confirmation and buy. So as of now, all hands, all finger crossed, all heads up, watching out for the next confirmation on BTC. Don't forget, I remain my humble self, and I believe I have been able to simplify this chart for you this morning. Make no mistake of rushing into the market. Don't FOMO, don't pressure yourself. Always trade on confirmation. I will see you guys tomorrow in our next analysis. Bye for now.